Once upon a time, in a land where the grass was always green and the rivers sparkled like diamonds, there lived a young boy named Alian. Alian was known throughout the village as the chaser. He was never satisfied with where he was. If he was playing in the river, he wished he was climbing the mountain. If he was eating an apple, he wished he was eating a pear. He was always chasing the next best thing. One afternoon, Alian looked up at the sky and saw the golden sun. It was beautiful, warm, and bright. Why should the sun stay up there? Alian thought. If I catch it and keep it in a jar, I will have light and warmth forever. I will be the happiest boy in the world. So, Alian packed a bag and a large glass jar. He said goodbye to his parents and started running toward the horizon, where the sun touched the earth at sunset. Wait, Alian, his mother called. Enjoy the flowers here. Look how beautiful they are. No time, shouted Alian. I must catch the sun. He ran past beautiful forests, but he didn't stop to listen to the birds. He ran past a crystal clear lake, but he didn't stop to swim. He ran past a village celebrating a festival with music and dancing, but he didn't stop to dance. I will be happy when I catch the sun, he told himself. 4 days, he ran. But every time he reached the horizon, the sun moved further away. He grew tired, hungry, and lonely. Finally, he reached the edge of a great cliff overlooking the ocean. The sun was beginning to set, dipping into the water. Alian reached out with his jar, trying to scoop up the light. But he couldn't. The sun sank below the waves, and everything went dark. Alian fell to his knees, sobbing. I failed, he cried. I wasted all my time running, and now I have nothing. It is dark and cold. Just then, a small firefly buzzed past him, then another, and another. Soon, thousands of fireflies lit up the dark meadow behind him. The moon rose above the ocean, painting the water in silver. An old owl landed on a branch next to Alian. Why are you crying, little one? The owl asked. I missed the sun, Alian said. I ran so fast to catch the future that I missed it. The owl hooted softly. The sun is not meant to be caught, Alian. It is meant to be enjoyed while it shines. And when it leaves, it makes room for the moon and the stars. You were so busy running toward the light that you forgot to look at the world around you. Alian looked around. For the first time, he saw the silver moonlight on the waves. He saw the glowing fireflies. He felt the cool, refreshing breeze. It was beautiful, different from the sun, but still beautiful. Alian realized he didn't need to own the sun to be happy. He just needed to open his eyes to where he was right now. He walked back home slowly. This time, he swam in the lake. He danced in the village. He listened to the birds. And when he finally got home, he sat with his parents and watched the sunrise, not trying to catch it, but simply watching it rise. Moral of the story: happiness is not a destination you run to, it is found in the journey. If you spend your whole life chasing what comes next, you will miss the beauty of what is happening now. Thanks for watching. Do you think Alian learned the right lesson? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.